Turok says millions of South Africans are still living without houses. He says government needs to come up with a realistic plan of upgrading the conditions of ordinary South Africans. Turok added that the younger generation can still draw inspiration from the values and principles of Joe Slovo.
Joe Slovo represented integrity, commitment, dedication to the cause of bettering the life of ordinary people. And that's what we need from our government more than anything else.
The Department of Human Settlements says housing backlog is still a massive challenge and that it has embarked on programs to try to turn the tide.
We are starting now with mixed mode housing. We are also pushing out the social housing aspect, dealing for that gap market, people in the middle income, obviously continuously looking at the community residential units. We have also learned lessons from other provinces where we have seen that they have assisted backyard shack dwellers, so that is an issue that we are investigating.